What is up, guys? It is your boy Dustin Devin, back with another video, man. Today's video, man, you know what I'm saying, I got the fresh cut, man. That junk is fire. Flames, my guy. But yeah, let's get into the video. I got the banner made up. No, I'm getting dropped off tomorrow. My grandma made it, so I got a picture, you know what I'm saying. It might be like somewhere on the screen or something. So yeah. Either that or I don't know. But yeah, guys, I got that fresh in these plates. It looks like my hair not got pushed back, but it did, because this looked like it got pushed back, but I did not. Because I just did this. I combed it down. Like I'm not like that. But yeah, guys. So the fresh cut today, so I can look fresh for Saturday. Like I said, man, I got the mic. Oh yeah, I never uploaded a video about the mic unboxing. So this could be slash unboxing, man. I'm sorry. I never uploaded a video. I forgot. I just realized that. I put all of the day. I forgot. It's already night anyway. So this is it's called Tap Scar. Right, the leg off Amazon. Bam. It's a good look. I got just it's in the box. That paperwork and battery was in it, so I already put the battery in it. And guys, this is how it looks right here, man. I put it on Snapchat. So yeah, I can add me on Snapchat. Probably be down there somewhere. I don't know, or in the description. This is it, my guys. This is it. This is the back. It actually smells good. This should come off. You know what I'm saying? You could put a little windbreaker thing on it. That. Boom. And I'll show you how it looks on the camera. Oh, hold up. Wait, no, I got it. So this is like I'm looking at the camera. First, I go push the mic pin on here. Screw it in. Damn. That little thing. I got to give me another tripod because this junk broke. I found it broke. So I had it for like a year now.
These kids are old enough to get pregnant. They can't be alone for 2 seconds. That's literally the reason they shouldn't be left alone.
Who's with the kids right now?
Oh God, we left them alone again. That's hilarious.
Damn, right there. So this is how it's gonna look, guys. While we're holding it. Oh, it's kind of dumb, but I can wait for I gotta wait for the adapter so I can hook it to the back of the camera, guys. And just like this in the back. Then for now, I'm gonna just hold it like this, just like this. I'm gonna hold it for now. Gotta get my little tripod stick, guys. This is how it's gonna look, man. Yeah. Alright, guys, that's how it's gonna look. That's the unboxing slash talk about video, man. So yeah, y'all already saw the banner pop up on the screen. That junk is fire. I mean, I wouldn't say fire, but that junk is like simple, my guy. And it says like and subscribe at the top and Red Riding. Dose of Devin in the middle, Red Riding. Dose of Devin in the middle, Red Riding. And it says at youtube.com and Red Riding. That's what I put. And yeah, my guy. That junk is good. It's alright. It's not simple. I want that to go throw down. Everybody that's gonna be like, ooh, a picture in the background. I know. If I'm wondering, my hairline is crispy. My God. Because I did a razor on that junk. Bam. Yeah, guys. It's like it's fat. But yeah, man. Yeah. So that's some information, man. Yep. Wonder why I look red? No. Just got a shower. Yeah, guys. So that's gonna be it of the video, man. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Tell me I like my intro and all, cause I got a new intro. Yeah. Tell me I like the intro. You know what I'm saying? Prank's coming soon. Prank's gotta be coming soon at the hotel we staying in, man. Prank's coming soon. Yeah, guys. So shout out to my man Jaden Blaming. Let's go. Man, let's go, man. Like and subscribe, man. And that's Devin. We're out. Peace.